not like overly fruity or no, it's just perfect. It's My Little Pony smell. I love it. Hi guys, welcome back to the Caffeinated Classroom. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Marie. I'm a high school English teacher in San Diego, California. This is my channel where I talk about things teaching and pedagogy and being a mom and a teacher and all of those good things. And today I am very excited to show you the happy mail that I got this week. It is my February teacher care crate and we are going to unbox it. But before I get started, I want to show you. You might notice that things are a little bit different behind me because it is a long weekend. It's President's Weekend and my family, we are up in the San Bernardino Mountains in Southern California, right outside of Lake Arrowhead, and it is snowing outside. My kids are anxiously awaiting a nice dump of fresh powder so they can go and play. It's pretty icy right now because I guess it rained over the snow. Yeah, but I thought this was a great time to show you the amazingness that is the newest teacher care crate. So shall we get started? Of course we shall. Coffee sip. Oh, and also, have you guys noticed my amazing sweatshirt? It says be kind. It is from a company that I found on the internet, on Instagram, called Kind Cotton. So if you go to kindcotton.com, and this company has the coziest and softest feeling shirts. The sweatshirt is so comfy cozy. With every sale that they make, they donate a book to their local Boys and Girls Club of America, which I think is just incredible. Like, way to pull at an English teacher's heartstrings and say that I can have a really comfy piece of clothing with a great message on it, and when I buy clothes, a kid gets a book. Like, that's pretty much sold. Done. Anyways, I will put their website in the description box down below, so be sure to check them out because I feel like this could be a really nice like teacher appreciation gift or something like that. FYI. Anyways, okay, let's get going. Yay! Our light might be a little bit weird because the storm is coming in and it's supposed to start snowing again soon, so if I look a little, I don't know, blue, it's because I'm being lit by clouds. Okay, here, I'll give you guys the first peek. Da-da. Ooh, these are always the prettiest cards. So, the insert card says, as an educator, you pour so much love into others, so the goal of this month's teacher care crate is to help you love yourself. First, check out this month's art print from Lindsay Paul of Miss Johnson's Journey. It's perfect for reminding you to practice self-love. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. Fall in love with yourself. How pretty is that? While that's going up in my classroom, I'm starting to run out of wall space behind my desk because of these beautiful prints that she keeps putting in here. Okay. Next, page through the Self-Care Index by Free Period Press and use it as your own personal guide to self-care. Okay. The Self-Care Index, a pocket guide for remembering the things you like to do. Oh, this is cool. Okay, the insert or the inside cover says, we all have a lot of work to do to create a more loving and just world. I'm eating my own hair, hold on. To create a loving and just world, but you can't take care of others unless you're taking care of yourself. Preach. We've collected some of our favorite things that cheer us up when we're feeling bleh. It says bleh. In this handy guide, we've even left some spaces to add your own favorite things that make you uniquely happy. Love, Katie and Laura, who I'm guessing are the creators of this company. How cool. Okay, if I just randomly open to a page, it says, reset. No, rest. Oh my gosh. It says rest. It doesn't say reset. That's not reset, that's rest. Aw, it's just cool. It's like a really cute little doodle journal and it's got ideas of how to just kind of like do fun stuff to take care of yourself. So it's not just sitting in front of the TV, which sometimes for me is a little bit of self-care because my brain is going a million miles a minute all day long and I get home to my kids, it's still going a million miles a minute because I'm trying to be there for everybody. Sometimes just shutting down is great. Good call. Okay, let's keep going. Use your pink and gold bath bomb from Sugar Shack next time you need a relaxing bath. And maybe even try out your rose and frankincense sheet mask from Flawless Professional Vegan Beauty at the same time. Let's see them. Okay, well here's the sheet mask. That looks lovely. I'm probably gonna use that while we're up here actually because it is super dry up in the mountains, let me tell you. And then the bath bomb. Ooh, you guys, it's glittery. Look at the glitter. It's so pretty. Oh, and it just smells like, you know what it smells like? Okay, I need you to comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. But remember, those of you who grew up in the 80s, like I did, I was born in 1983, remember the smell of a new My Little Pony? That's legitimately what this smells like, and it's amazing. It's not like overly fruity or no, it's just perfect. It's My Little Pony smell. I love it. If you're still watching, I'm guessing you enjoy this kind of weird banter I have with myself. So welcome, thank you. Okay, use your handmade beaded keychain to brighten up your keyring and wear your fun striped socks for a little boost. Okay, okay, these are just like, here's the keychain, and it's just like the lanyard that I got in one of the teacher care crates that she did in like August, I wanna say it was. I wear that lanyard every single day, and I love this keychain because now I can be matchy-matchy with myself. Who doesn't like to just coordinate all the time? And it's got really pretty pale pink, and then like beige wood, and then gray. Oh, I love it. And the gold, and then the socks are right up my alley. I got a little fluff on them here. Oh, these are cute. Okay, let's see what else we have. I can't believe there's more. There's always so many sweet little goodies in here. I love it so much. And of course, don't forget to enjoy your Sprinkle Dreams chocolate bar from Chow. Chow? I think so. Chocolatier, you deserve it. This is one of the reasons why I let my kids stay upstairs with my parents so that I could open this alone, because I knew there would be a treat. No, I'm just kidding. I'll totally share with them. It's a teeny tiny little mini chocolate bar. I'll show you guys. It's really pretty and cute. See, isn't that cute? Oh, crisp waffle cone, hazelnuts, and rainbow sprinkles. Rainbow sprinkles. You have me at rainbow sprinkles. I am for it. 60 calories? If I cared about calories, I would be impressed by that. But either way, cool. And then last but not least, I think there are these really cute little stickers that I think Sarah designed herself. I think I saw that on Instagram. They're really cute, and I like them. I'm getting really into stickers again. It's like my inner Lisa Frank phase from, like, you know, the late 80s, early 90s. It's coming back around. I'm loving stickers. This is a great teacher care crate, and thank you, Sarah, for putting this all together. If you guys are not subscribed to Teacher Care Crate, they sell out like that. So you're going to have to follow Teacher Care Crate on Instagram to find out when the subscriptions open up, because you should get your hands on this. And if you are trying to think of some other sorts of, maybe you have some gifts for like Mother's Day for the teachers in your life who are also moms coming up. I know it's only February, but like, can we ever plan too early for gifts and that sort of thing? Teacher appreciation. Yep. I appreciate myself every month with the Teacher Care Crate, and I absolutely love it. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not already subscribed to the Caffeinated Classroom, boop, click that little red button down below. Make sure you hit the bell so you get notifications and you don't miss any of these videos. I am so glad that you stopped by, and I will see you next time. Have a good one.